Piggy, is there something on my head?
Yes, there is a bird on your head.
There is a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now you have two birds on your head.
What are two birds doing on my head?
They're in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They are lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know that they're lovebirds?
They are making a nest.
Two birds on my head are making a nest? Why would two birds be making a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head?
And 2 birds in a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Well, then, where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Well, why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them.
Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else?
No problem.
Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.